The Alienware line has been out on the market for quite a while now, and due to their quality and performance, they've managed to become one of the best options you can find for a gaming PC. The Aurora R7 is one of those models which adds Intel's powerful 8th generation processors and a handy USB-C port to the desktop's already excellent design. So let's get into the topic and explain what makes this model so special. Design-wise, Alienware has a futuristic-looking design which sports a sleek grey panel and three-way LED lights that have become a staple of just about every Alienware machine. However, Aurora's lighting is pretty subtle by gaming desktop standards, but still, you'll enjoy being able to swap between desktop's default blue hues for some purples and pinks. The connectivity ports include a USB-C port right up front, USB 3.1 port, headphone and mic jacks. Additionally, the back of the Aurora is loaded with even more USB connections than you'll probably need, including 6 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.1 ports, and an additional USB-C port. Plus, you'll also find a full suite of audio ports, an SPDIF jack for optical audio gadgets, and an Ethernet port. The system's NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti graphics card boasts its usual HDMI port and a trio of DisplayPort connections, giving you plenty of options for connecting your monitors. Performance-wise, sporting an NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti graphics card alongside Intel's new 8th generation Core i7-8700K processor, the Aurora can handle every game you throw at it. In addition, Aurora's powerful specs are more than suitable for Steam VR performance, while we tested it and got a score of 11, making the Alienware more than ready for high-fidelity virtual reality. Moreover, thanks to its 8th generation Core i7-8700K and 32GB of RAM, Aurora proves to be as beastly at everyday multitasking as it is in gaming. To be more specific, the system will never slow down when you pile a bunch of activities, even if you watch dozens of streams, open different browser tabs, and so on. To conclude, if you're looking for a mid-range price gaming PC that features the latest technology with premium features, then this could be your ideal choice.